With the heritage-listed Dickabram Bridge currently closed for rehabilitation, drone footage captured by the Department of Transport and Main Roads provides insight into some of the unique challenges for crews working on preserving Queensland's oldest timber rail and road bridge. Wearing protective suits and respiratory masks, maintenance crews take extreme care to ensure the lead-based paint they are removing does not pollute the surrounding environment, including the Mary River, home to a number of protected species. Some of the crews have worked on the bridge periodically for many years, getting to know its incredible architectural features and vulnerabilities intimately. Over the next few months, the team will replace timber deck planks, strip lead-based paint from the structure, and provide a new protective coating to steel components. Timber girders will also be replaced with steel beams. The works will extend the bridge's lifespan and help preserve the iconic heritage for generations to come, and importantly, allow the bridge to remain open for local communities that rely on it for transport connectivity. While the Department of Transport and Main Roads expects to complete the bulk of the major rehabilitation works in 2025 and 2026, a bridge of this age will need some periodic love and attention for years to come. Anyone interested in visiting the unique bridge should check the Queensland Traffic website for details about the works prior to travel. Current works are expected to continue until late 2025, with the bridge to reopen again for locals and visitors over the busy holiday season.